Go ahead, go girls. There you go.
Good job, Emmy. Good, Emmy. Good job.
Get it back.
Nice.
I was like, no. I didn't want to break it out.
All you, B. That's all you. Keep pushing it through, honey. Good job.
Good enough. Just leave it. Just don't go.
Good job. Nice ball, Lucy.
Good, B. Stay there.
Stop it.
Yeah, there you go. Good. There you go,
Nice.
Mia was here.
Good.
I thought about walking to you. Nice, Cameron.
What else was it? Okay, go take it.
Nice, B. Who's here? Go ahead, Ingrid.
One more. Can we play with C?
Stay on her.
Yeah, Avery.
Avery. Oh! Good shot, Avery.
Do it again. I don't know yet.
Run on it.
That was so fun.
It was so fun to
All the
see on.
sister we stole by me was these things. No! You died. Let's hide these.
I just need to survive for you. I want you to be stubborn. I want you to be determined. I want you to
Play with these too.
right?
Good. There you go, B.
And it's like you can
There you go.
something that's very black and white.
Let's make the whole city. Why don't we set a wheel? At least we got them. Give it to what is it?
No, I get on that nine. That tripped me out about that. The coyote.
Yeah, Lucy, go ahead.
Mila.
Go B, go B. Go B. Center it.
Go, B.
There you
Good.
go. Follow it,
Push
follow
it, honey. Push it.
Who's there?
Well, that's me. I haven't got to it. Take it, girls.
Good pass.
Follow me.
Good job, Lucy.
Go. Corner.
In my class. In my class.
Are you cold, Mama?
Who is this? That one is
I think I'm probably.
Oh, that is a queen. Okay. Anything what I jump out, hey, anything what I jump out like this, that means you can play with it. Anything what I did it. That's what I did. I in the corner kick some shot. I could do those are very fine. Yeah. And why you just done
Again, stay with it. Grab me, love.
that means you can't take any of them. Yeah, no. Oh, nie może iść na drugą stronę, na twój na pole.
You ready, Coco?
Get it loose.
Yeah, Lucy.
Todavía el cuerpo, ya sabes.
Nice. Go. Run on with her. Run on with her. Go, B. Go, B.
Good, B.
Oh,
Good job.
Good shot, B. Good job, honey. Great job out there, Lucy.
Great job.
Keep it up, ladies.
Well,
Can you make me a picture of this?
Big throw, big throw. Who's popping out, Red? All right, good. Nice. Very good, very good. Again, very good. Pressure, Mila. Yeah, Mila. Who's there? Right, B. Rip it. Ah, good shot. Good job.
they can handle it.
Nice, Cameron. Yeah, go, Emmy. Steal it, steal it, steal it.
Go it.
Go, Danny. Come on, Danny. Nice, Lucy. Here comes. That's you. Yes,
Nice,
Avery. Go for it. Go, Danny. Mark up now, Red. Watch the throw it.
Back paddle.
In front. Nice, Avery. Good job, Avery. Yeah, go ahead,
Paddle.
Big throw. Who's popping out, Red? All right. Big one. Oh, shoot, Avery. Good job, girls. Good job.
I did. You know how I make it? I grabbed this with a hoe. What's that? I did this. Grab 2 pieces right there. And put it together and I make a gun. You ain't my, give me your money.
Good job, Avery. Good job. Go, Mila. Help her. Yeah, yes, Mila. Good, Danny. Shoot.
Come on, get to the ball, baby.
Get it. Danny.
Don't you gotta run, honey.
You ready, Coco?
Don't you gotta run straight.
You ready, Coco?
Shoot.
Did she shoot?
Mark up. She did. She tried. Yeah. Yeah, Lucy. Come on.
Back for it. Go for it, Andy.
Red, Mila. Stay outside, baby.
Stay outside, baby. Stay outside.
Nice, Avery.
Ball, Danny, go.
Go. Danny, go. Shoot, Danny.
No foul? Come on.
Again, Danny.
Nani, hustle to that ball.
Big throw. Yeah. Oh, what, Danny? Danny, that's your ball.
Shoot.
Here comes, you ready?
Here, put it. Do it. I'll hold it for you. I make sure I'll get you.
Go, Nani, that's you. Good shot, rebound. Follow it. Follow your shot, Nani. Push it through, Emmy.
Go, Gianna, turn and go.
Feel it! Feel it! Come on, get that ball. Good, Lucy.
Push it through.
Danny. Go, Danny. Center it. Help
Cut her on. Cut her off.
Oh, what is that?
That was a foul.
Foul on that.
Sandwich.
Okay.
She was like,
Right, exactly. Yeah, exactly.
I don't want to show like aim. No, I think I'm going to be your best friend.
I remember how physical.
Yeah, that's what I said. One hand keep it. My toy.
Stay warm.
Nice, Ingrid.
They double juice and double pepper mine.
Go, Danny. Go, Danny. Get at the ball faster. Danny.
Good night.
Run on it. Here it comes. Here it comes. Run. That's you. That's you.
Go, Julia.
Stay on her. Stay on her. There you go. Good pump. Nani, go to the middle.
Danny. Hurry up.
That's it.
Get it back. Go, go. Good, go, Ingrid.
Ow, ow.
Tight, tight, tight. Big cross. Go, Mila.
Turn and go, Nani. Turn and go. Good, baby, roll. You got Ingrid to the side.
Keep going. Keep
Good.
What? One time when I make us make a right, with nine, west, with nine. Everybody do wait.
All right, Mama.
Good try, baby. Again, again, Edge. Keep it up. Get the ball back. Yeah, Ingrid.
Good job, Ingrid. Go.
Yeah,
Push
Mila.
it forward. Push it forward. Push it
Go,
forward.
Mila, rip.
Together.
Go. There it is. Good job, Mila.
Nice work. Way to work for it, Edge.
Pew, pew, pew. No, die. Me, my go.
Way to work for it, Edge. Keep it
Good
up.
job, ladies.
Nice, Danny. Nice. Good job, Cameron. Yeah, good job, baby.
Go, your ball.
Again. Again. Nice. Go, Ingrid.
Stay outside, Nani.
Nice, Ingrid.
Good job, Ingrid.
Talk, girls, talk.
Get in there, Cameron. Get in there. Cross it. Cross it.
Good job, Ingrid.
Good job, Ingrid. Come on, get that ball.
Right to the whistle.
Oh, good shot. Good
Danny.
shot. Good job, Edge. Keep on it. Keep on it.
Happy. Keep it up.
Like a cat.
Feel it.
Here's the.
Line.
Make a run. Make a run.
Nice throw, B. Turn, Denny.
Go, go, go. Quickly.
Get it back.
Now follow it. Nice.
Oh, good shot.
Started with you, B. Good job. Edge.
What's up, play? Play at either we like blow her neck. Is she like taking a break? No, because you won't be on here. You won't see her on here. Ow. So I heard sometimes you devil, sometimes you don't see the head, and you never ever look at it.
Yeah.
Ever get. Give me your money. Can you hear something? I got. I might do that. Okay, I go make a set.
I don't even know.
Sophie, you called us. I love it.
Right. I think our thing is going that way.
You got very left on there.
Oh, thank you.
Give me your money. Oh my God.
I got distracted before I hit.
Oh.
The plane? Yeah.
Give me more.
I'm like, is it the rain?
I got
Good D, Red.
Give me your money. Give me your shotgun. Give me your shotgun. Give me your shotgun. Give me your shotgun. Don't move.
We both went Oh my God.
Nice, Lucy. Keep going, Lucy.
saying?
Keep going. It's in. It's in.
Hey, my money.
Let's go, Edge.
All my money. Yay, all my money.
Good
Sorry,
ball.
Lucy.
Good ball.
Try.
Pressure up, Lucy. Pressure up.
How are they? I hope they're not Stay hungry,
I will be my own wife. I will be hungry. You think so, son? I only pick one.
Good job, Ingrid. Good.
We're gonna lose.
Go, Lucy. Make it hard. Make it hard.
Go, Lucy.
Nice, Lucy. Good
Good
job,
job, Lucy. Good job, Edge.
Here's somebody. This is somebody else. This is all my money. Okay, look at this. Here's all my yours. Keep it. I don't want it. Okay, stop it.
That's another one.
Big pie.
Cameron.
Cameron,
Take
go.
it. Take it.
Lewis, get up, Lewis.
Keep going. Keep going.
Take it back. Take it back.
Good.
You beat.
Now beat her to it.
Yeah.
Nice, Mila. Good try, Mila. Great throw, B.
Ooh, good pass right there. Oh, who's there?
Good, Emmy. You time.
Good.
Emmy.
Control it.
Then go play. I'll play.
That is rain. Good job, Ingrid. Ooh, good. Try again.
Go ahead, Mila.
All of you. Good pressure, Mila. Good pressure. Good pressure.
Nice, Mila.
Go, Mila. Good job. There you go. How you doing?
Again.
Julia!
Good.
Good, you won that ball. Good.
Good
Go.
job, Mila.
He's there to help.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Steal
Good,
it,
Kevin, go for it.
Get on it, Ingrid.
Right there, B. Drop it in. There you go.
Good.
Oh!
Yeah.
Good job, B.
Good.
Grip it
Good
again.
job.
Let's go, Ed.
Ball hungry, Liney. Ball
Get
hungry.
ready, Lucy. Pressure up, Liz. Get ready.
Jerry was upset still. He wanted to practice. Just gotta set up for him in the basement. I'm like, shit, we gotta be our students having nothing to do. You're not a bunch of I know. That's
Go,
what I'm
Lucy,
saying.
go.
Yeah, Lucy.
Open up, Diane.
Support. You okay? Good try, Lucy. Good try. Was our ball?
She's not.
Yeah, she's already thinking.
Throw.
Take it loose.
Good,
Yeah.
Lucy.
Oh!
Beautiful shot, Lucy. Beautiful shot.
Stay hungry, girls. Let's go. Diane, pay attention.
Get it, Danny.
Good, B. Good surprise, B. Stay on her. Nice.
Think.
Mark.
Good job.
Mark.
Behind you, B. Behind you. Go, Lucy. Go. You're up, Lucy. You're up.
Middle. Oh!
It's all right.
I'm like, no.
Mark up tight. Good tight. Tight, 23.
Slipped.
Mama,
Hey,
it was
hey, Diane.
quiet.
Can you pass it yourself?
Good job, B. Get hard on them,
Hey,
Ed.
play again. Come on. Play.
Touch tight. Touch tight. Get the cut.
Look at that.
Good job, Lucy. Good job.
Talk. Same team,
Look
girls.
at that. Look at Mila, Lucy.
Go, Camila!
Go, Jeep.
Shoot!
Talk, girls. Talk, girls.
Hey, what's going on? No worries.
Communicate, girls. Let's go.
Yeah. She's doing good. She looked like she was doing good. She shook it off. She was upset in the beginning, but I mean, she just had shook it off. She got some pretty good shots on goal, so I think that picked up her. Yeah. I was doing good.
I didn't even realize.
Nice. nice.
Yeah, Mila. Get it back.
What up?
Oh, really? Yeah. I like it. I like it. Stay And you know, it comes down to the one, he was not playing the things as much because they weren't doing well, right? So there was one game where the dad got upset and he went over and talked to him. And ever since then, his boys were always playing. And even though they weren't doing anything, even though they kept losing the ball, they kept scoring on, they didn't do anything.
Yeah,
He kept them
Lucy.
in. And the fact that he kept them.
Now you go for that ball.
Yeah, Mila. Good job. Good job, Mila. Make it hard.
Run down, Annie. Run down. Middle. Annie, middle.
Go, guys. Go.
גם עם מחק כלום נכון? יאללה.
Dobrze, dobrze.
Nice shot.
Yeah.
You gotta be there.
Good job, Planet!
We're on it, we're on it. We got it.
Go, Hunter!
Yes, Mila.
Push that middle, Luke.
Go!
Whoa.
Middle, Luke, middle.
Stay with it. Stay with it, Mila. Nice.
Hit it loose.
Yeah, but he can't be having the ones that he had this season because a lot of them were
Talk, girls, talk.
and just there's so much.
Good try, Mila. Go, Danny. Nice hustle.
Come on, Danny, catch her.
Ale na net jest na obronie, co w
There's
życiu,
just so much
Soriana.
plays with the refs.
Ona
It
musi
was so
bronić.
blatant, you know, like really think they were.
90, mark up.
I'm not
I patrz na Nanetkę, za chwilkę siadaj, 2 minuty będzie. Proszę Wika, pilnować Nanetkę.
You know,
2 minuty i przerwa.
because I'm sure that they had it. They're like, oh, it's in the
Mila, run it, run
Take it in,
it.
take it in,
Get
Mila.
to have the-
Still in it, still in it.
Help out, help out.
Yes, he did.
Ale ona fajnie nogami ma. Taka śmieszna, mała. A kto strzelił?
Avery.
I don't know what he was thinking. So oh,
Go na net, go na net, go na net. Go, go, go.
No, he was like, I was laughing because he was walking along them, like, you know, like walking on nails or like on rolls or something. I was laughing at him. Hey, Vito, did you say thank you for that?
Ale ona widzi.
right. Right.
Go, Lucy, go.
Oj, nie ma,
Got
tu nie
Danny
ma.
in the middle.
Go, Nanet, go, go, go.
Come on, Danny. Step up, step up.
Go, Mila. Yeah, Mila. Again, make it hard.
Just like we do.
Go, go, Nanet, go.
All day, Danny, let's go.
So what's his excuse?
Come on, Danny, let's go.
Go at the ball.
Go, Mila.
Get at the ball, Danny.
Nice,
Help
Mila.
her. Help her.
John, Mila, good hustle.
Nice hustle, Mila.
Shoulder to shoulder.
Rip it.
Danny, go on the other end.
Yeah, so what was if he's gonna say, oh no, he said it to the other kid, then what was his excuse for not playing?
Good try,
Good job,
Mila.
Mila. That's all.